The secret to a healthy skin. Did you know that there's a study showing that a specific vitamins can increase skin elasticity by 61.4% if you take that vitamin orally? Did you know what vitamins was that? It was done by Princeton Research Group many years ago, maybe more than 10 years ago. It was in particular liposomal vitamin C. Isn't that amazing? For example, cholesterol medication, statin drugs decrease cholesterol between 2 and 4%, and they sell over $100 billion of cholesterol medication, which also there's a negative side to cholesterol medications. Okay, vitamin C has all the health benefits from the heart to the brains to the tissues, etc., etc. Even back in the 1800s, they discovered disease called scurvy that killed over 2 million British Navy because of vitamin C deficiencies. So vitamin C, lack of vitamin C can kill you. And vitamin C is a water soluble, so you really have to take it every single day. The problem is our food now is so depleted from vitamins and minerals, you need to supplement. For example, an apple was compared between 1950 and 1988 to see the difference between the two apples in fiber and in nutrient. And they found that you would have to eat 26 apples in 1988 to equal 1 apple in the 1950s. So imagine how much depletion of nutrient and minerals in our soil. So just eating healthy is not even close to be enough. That's why you have to supplement with your healthy diet. Going back to our original conversation, my name is Cody Michael, by the way. I work in the raw material business. We roam the world looking for the best raw material business. We work with lots of holistic doctors and we develop a specific product for specific health benefits. But when they want vitamin C to work and they need to measure collagen and the elasticity of the collagen, the strength of that collagen in 16 weeks, 18 weeks, 19 weeks, 24 weeks, they need vitamin C, collagen, and they want to make sure there's vitamin D that above 50 and many other vitamins. But vitamin C is one of the most essentials. In Dr. Linus Pauling research back in the 60s, showing that what vitamin C does, it actually does the netting of the collagen. That's how essential. And vitamin C flies out of the body so quickly. That's why you need to take it throughout the day, every couple hours. But in particular, liposomal vitamin C, when we developed this product, for example, for lookandvibrant.com, because they supply many holistic doctors, they want to make sure they use natural vitamin C, and they want to make sure they use it's liposome. Liposome, what it does, it evades the harsh stomach system and goes to the bloodstream within 20 minutes. And that means the absorption is higher than any other vitamin C by 230%, according to Miami University clinical trial. Second thing we want to make sure that vitamin C, the one we use, the natural form, which is start at $91 and goes to $200, it contains something called vicinal hydroxyls, 2 hydroxyl adjacent to the same side of carbons of the double bonds, which is unique in biology only to natural vitamin C. Synthetic vitamin C don't have that. So you can take as much as you want. You will never get any health benefits from synthetic vitamin C. When your bottle of vitamin C costs $10, I question that. This one, 3 months supply, holistic doctors and company like lookandvibrant.com, they sell it for $200. That's why when they buy, they have to buy 1,000 kilo and make into liposomal form, and then there's a clinical trial behind that from the University of Miami. So it adds up when you buying high quality premium raw material. That's why in holistic doctor's office you will never see vitamin C cost $10 or $15 or not a natural vitamin C. Make sure your vitamin C is natural. You see this skin? I'll show you a picture 25 years ago when I had my first boy, and you look at my skin today, you barely can see the difference. I don't eat healthy all the time. Let's be honest. but I make sure I take my vitamin C every day. I take on average 5,000 a day. My mom, who's now over 70 and had chemo and radiation, which has destroyed her cells and her body, I'll show you her skin. She takes over 5,000 for the last 20 years, and you will see her skin and you'll be amazed. So all these TikTok and influencers talking about vitamins and this and that on YouTube and on TikTok, I don't know what they're talking about really. Nobody really have any clue what they're talking about. We roam the world looking for raw material. We know how it's made. We know what lab makes. We know what the structure we're looking for. We have consultants work with us, biochemists, PhDs, and holistic experts and pharmacognosy experts. We know exactly what we're looking for. So when we make a presentation for holistic doctors, they're like amazed by what we bring them in quality and knowledge also, because not everyone knows the same knowledge. So we've been doing this for the last 15, 20 years. My name is Cody Michael, and I hope this can benefit you. Before you invest in your health, make sure your product, vitamin C, is natural, liposome, and if there's a clinical trial, will be even better. So invest in your health today.